The Acer Nitro V Gaming is here, and it's going to change your gaming experience forever. You know how often you've clicked refresh after a long load time, only to have the same laggy performance? That's because most laptops can't keep up with your demanding games. But this beast of a laptop can handle anything you throw at it, and then some. Let's talk about its brain. The Intel Core i9-13900H processor. In simple terms, that means it's ridiculously fast and powerful, like having multiple supercomputers inside one machine. With this powerhouse, you'll enjoy blazing fast performance, effortless multitasking, and the ability to play games with silky smooth graphics. Now, what about gaming? Well, let me tell you, this laptop is equipped with a beast of its own. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU. This means you'll get realistic visuals that'll transport you straight into your favorite game world. We're talking cinematic quality graphics with incredible details, all made possible by the latest advancements in ray tracing and AI-powered rendering. But wait, there's more. The Acer Nitro V Gaming also boasts a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display, with an impressive 165Hz refresh rate. That means you'll get to enjoy crisp, clear visuals, with almost zero lag or ghosting. It's like having a top-notch gaming monitor on your lap. And let's not forget about the specs that make this laptop truly special. With 16 GB of DDR4 memory and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you'll be able to handle even the most demanding games with ease. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 and killer Ethernet E2600, you'll stay connected no matter where your gaming sessions take you. But what really sets this laptop apart is its innovative cooling system. The Acer Nitro V Gaming features dual fans and an effective exhaust system, ensuring that it stays cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. It's like having a personal air conditioner for your gaming sanctuary. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is all this power worth the price? And my answer is absolutely. Think about it, with this laptop, you'll be able to play the latest games at high frame rates, edit videos and music with ease, and even work on projects that require heavy multitasking. That's a whole lot of productivity and entertainment for your money. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to take your gaming experience to the next level with the Acer Nitro V Gaming. Check out this incredible laptop now and discover why it's the ultimate gaming powerhouse. Link